Public service announcement. What up, ballers and shot callers? Today's date is March 17th, and I know your tax money is getting low. Low, all the way to the floor. And your boyfriend ain't singing no more, and I got nothing but love for you, baby. He just got up and left. But anyway, January will come again next year. Until then, keep your head up and happy Sunday, Mitches.